Hi funny video lovers, here's a brand new funny video compilation. Please give us your comments on the videos that are funniest to you. Well, okay then, let's jump into the video.
Why do you drink so much?
I drink to forget.
To forget what?
I don't know, I forgot that long time ago.
You know, I figured out the only time you don't drink is when you're asleep.
Don't bet on it. I now put in a vaporizer and the whole room is drunkified.
Jamaican Sunday service.
Sometimes when you're a soldier, the enemy thinks that you're shot down. But if you look at him and say, so you see me come with a big bazooka, I'm a fire shot. Pam! 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 And you think 70 done, but me just a come.
That how you call warrior for God? And see pass of your church, yeah?
Some bad-minded people do not want you to prosper. Some selfish, covetous people. Let me preach the gospel. Amen. Some selfish, covetous people is them alone must eat good food and drive car and live in house. And what they do, they boast and they brag on you and drive, and if rain fall, they want to splash you and wet you up. Amen.
Yo, only know the cartel are one of the biggest Christian. No, I throw me a talk, man. Listen up.
Tell the queen, me say, to release cartel, cause cartel not nobody not that dark. Me and the guy used to go to church. Cartel for their road. Tell him now. We used to go to church. Yes, cartel and not touch God.
Oh, no.
How about that, man? What am I run up and done so far? Force somebody draw something, man. Well, you know what I mean.
What we have to do is to get everybody vaccinated who can be vaccinated. And that will ensure that there is no population.
Hey, that sound like the real vaccine agenda. Right there. And the granny I know it too.
It's your nephew.
What the hell you want? I'm finna go out somewhere. I ain't got time for you today. What you want?
You ready to go get your shot?
I told you I'm not finna take no vaccination shot.
Auntie, I'm not about to sit here and argue with you. You going to get this shot.
No. I told you not to play with me. I would choke the life out of you. What y'all doing out here? You don't you just come on.
What's wrong with you out here? What's wrong with y'all out here showing up? I can't do this with y'all two.
Hit me. Don't somebody get me again, yo. I am not going to get no vaccination shot. These people is trying to change our NDA. I ain't finna do it. I take my chances.
Crazy, who crazy? That, yo, that's you can't fuck up on me and them game up there. Crazy. God knows she's crazy. Yeah. And nothing to say like Stacy.
Yeah, read him.
We thugs operate.
Ready.
Why not tell about Chase?
No, alright then.
Boom! I'll give it a little thing on the other.
Yeah.